talking about two things lately. We've been talking about the, what's this?
Main
idea, and then those details. And we've been learning how to
compare and contrast.
So today we're going to put them together. We're going to look at, we have a little text right here. So we're going to read some of it together, and we're going to figure out what our main ideas might be. We'll look at one compare and contrast, and then you guys will go to your books and you'll do it by yourselves. Okay? So, to start with our main idea, we need to do our ice cream cone, right? So we can do that by looking at the pictures and looking at words. What are some clues on this? Raise your hand to tell me what some clues might be to our ice cream cone, that main idea, Laurel.
The Amazing Storms.
Our title, right? Amazing Storms. So that's a pretty good idea that our main idea is going to be about storms. What else is a clue to us, Sasha?
Tornado.
Tornado. So you see the tornado, right? Yep, so we see a picture and we know that's a storm. What's in the background here?
Lightning.
Lightning. So we know that that's another storm. So,
It says hurricane on the second paragraph.
it does. Good reading. Yeah, we don't have a picture of a hurricane, but I see here we've got 3 paragraphs, and they each have a thunderstorm, a hurricane, and a tornado. So those are probably our 3 main ice cream scoop details about what will be in this piece. So when we compare and contrast, we know that compare means what?
How they are alike or the same.
How they are alike or the same, and contrasting is?
How they are different.
Different. So in our Venn diagram, we have the middle is the
Same.
Those are our comparisons. So what about each thing is the same? So Miss Utek and I both like to go to the movies. That would be the same. But remember, we like different movies and different foods, so those would be on those sides. So we look for clues in our text. We have those signal words. There are so many signal words that I couldn't write all of them. But some of them to look for would maybe be
Also, alike, two, similar, same, and both.
So if we're reading and we see those words,
There's also single words on the bottom.
there are signal words, but that's for contrasting. So if we see the words although, however, unlike, but
are not.
we know that those are, it's probably about to tell us something that's different, right? But when we look up here and we see those signal words, that's a pretty good clue that we're about to read a comparison. So, I think let's read this together. So, I will read a sentence, and then do you think you guys can choral read and copy me? Okay. Amazing storms.
Amazing storms.
A thunderstorm starts with a dark cloud and brings rain or ice, wind, lightning, and thunder.
A thunderstorm starts with a dark cloud and brings rain or ice, wind, lightning, and thunder.
Many thunderstorms last for about an hour.
Many thunderstorms last for about an hour.
A hurricane starts over the ocean.
A hurricane starts over the ocean.
Like in a thunderstorm, rain falls and powerful winds blow.
Like a thunderstorm, rain falls and powerful winds blow.
Did you guys hear something in that sentence? What did you hear, Andrew?
I heard and.
You heard and. That's good, but that's not the word I'm looking for. Maggie.
Alike.
Like.
Yeah.
Remember, not all, these are just some of our signal words. There can be others, and where is it? Like is one of our signal words. So we know like in a thunderstorm